Hi, problem 4.1.7 in Broverman is about a somewhat complicated but pretty practical problem. We're going to be finding the net gain on an investment in a bond. This bond is going to be loan financed. The person is going to borrow money for the bond purchase. The coupons from the bond are going to be reinvested. What is the net gain? Not as a percentage, but an actual amount of money. Kind of a long description, a bit complicated. Break it down. So the investor is borrowing money, taking out a loan at an annual effective rate of 7% and is going to repay all interest and principal in a lump sum at the end of 10 years. She's going to use that money that comes from the loan to purchase a 1,000 par value or face value 10-year bond with 10% semi-annual coupons with a yield of 8% convertible semi-annually. All coupon payments are reinvested at a nominal rate of 6% convertible semi-annually. Calculate the net gain, not a percentage gain, but a net gain, a money amount to the investor at the end of 10 years after the loan is repaid. So there's a lot going on here. Just break it down piece by piece. I think I'd like to think about the bond first, like what is its price? Evidently, the loan amount is the same as the price. Now, theoretically, the investor could also borrow more than that, but that's the only part that's relevant for the problem itself. So this is going to be a timeline where time is in half years because these things are convertible semi-annually. There's 10 years total, so there's going to be 26-month periods. The coupon rate is 10% semi-annual, so divide by 2 to get 5% for the semi-annual rate. Multiply 5% times 1,000, you're going to get 50. That's the amount of the coupons. So she gets these payments of 50, 20 of them, and then she also gets the 1,000 back at the end. Evidently, they don't say anywhere that that's the redemption value, but that's the assumption, is that it's redeemable at par if they don't say it. So she gets the 1,000 there. What is the price of this bond? It would be 50, A20, with interest rate, its yield is 8% convertible semi-annually. Divide 8% by 2 to get 4%. That's going to be what J is. And then add on 1,000, that is discounted back to time 0, multiply by V sub 0.04 to the 20th power. Let's go ahead and calculate this right now. First, calculate the value of A. Take 1.04. Take its reciprocal, raise it to the 20th power, subtract from 1, divide by 0.04, multiply by 50. About 679.52. I'll store that in register 1. Now calculate this, 1.04 reciprocal to the 20th power times 1,000. Add that to register 1. The price of the bond, which is going to be the same as the loan amount, is about 1135.90. Let me go ahead and keep more decimals, as is my habit, to play it safe. I think I will also store this in register 0. Store in register 0. So that's the amount she's got to borrow. How much is she going to owe at the end of 10 years to pay back the loan with all the principal paid back and all the interest? It's at a 7% effective annual rate. So take this number and multiply by 1.07 to the 10th power to get how much she owes at the end of 10 years to pay back the loan with interest. So take 1.07 to the 10th power, multiply by this amount, which is in register 0. She's going to owe 2234.49, and I think I can go ahead and just round that to the nearest cent, so to speak. I don't need to keep more decimals there. Let me store that as well. Maybe I'll store that in register 9. Not a big deal, but oh well. It's done. All right, what else is going on? There's the reinvestment of the coupons. The 50s in some other account that's earning a nominal rate of 6% convertible semi-annually, so 3% per half year. What will it grow to? It'll grow to 50 S, future value, 20 payments at semi-annual interest rate 3%, 0.03. 1.03 to the 20th power minus 1 divided by 0.03 times 50. This is 1343.52. Okay, so what is her net gain? Well, she's got this money that she gained. She also, at the end of 20 years, gets the bond face value, which is the same as the par value, is the same as the redemption value here. So in total, she receives 1,343.52 plus 1,000, 2,343.52. So her net gain, in fact, is positive, so that's good, is this number, 2343.52, minus this number, minus 2,234.49. $2,343.52 minus what was in register 9. Her net gain is 109.03. Okay? That is her net gain to this problem.